Ayan po, kain po tayo. Ating lunch, meron tayong bread. Ayan. Meron tayong bihon na pansit. Ayan guys. At meron tayong yan, malabon. Malabon, bihon, at bread. Ito ating food ngayon. At ating, ayan po, pantulak. Ayan. Buko yogurt. Ayan. Buko na yogurt. Ayan. Kaya, iwas-iwas muna tayo sa rice. Ito muna ating food. Parang daig pa natin nag-birthday handaan. Ayan. Kulang lang sa cake at ice cream. At Shanghai. Ayan guys. Kain na tayo. At enjoy ating foods. Let's eat. Yummy, yummy. Oh yeah, thank you for watching. And thank you Lord sa food and blessing. It's time to eat.